I'm Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and today we are going to learn the fade in effect with Audacity, how to fade in audio with an easy effect. Let's make this happen. Boom! We got Audacity open. I have a folder here where I will drag and drop a track, an audio track. And what we want is a little fade in action. Let's say like this part right here, we could just select it using the select tool. Make sure you have clicked this selection tool. Then we can go up to effects and fade in. Let's give that a listen. Ooh, that is fading in, I tell you what. And with that, you have used the fade in effect. I'll see you on the next tutorial. I've been Eric Polley. Boom!